Hey guys, so I'm back today with another video. A lot of people have been like asking me to do like, why don't you do like the rice hair challenge? Why don't you do the rice hair challenge? Why don't you, So I've been seeing like this rice hair challenge thing or whatever, to use rice to make your hair grow. I didn't really want to do the rice hair challenge because, for one, it was, I don't know, like it was like you put rice in there, blah, blah, blah. But then I found a way to make it as like a mask, and I love masks. So I was like, okay, cool. So, so I'm gonna do like this rice conditioner tutorial today, and I hope you like it. It was really like, I tried a little bit on my hair, made it like a little hard, but I'm gonna see like how the actual real one does. Try it and see if it works or whatever. But I did put like other stuff in it. So the rice detangles the hair, makes hair smoother, increases shine, makes hair stronger, helps hair grow long. Avocado oil is extremely rich in oleic acid and monounsaturated fats, making it one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair, rather than sitting on top and coating your hair. These fats also strengthen the hair shaft and help prevent breakage. Olive oil is high in antioxidants content, and it helps maintain scalp and hair health. It prevents the hair from cell damage and nourishes and conditions the hair at the same time to improve its quality. Tea tree oil can unclog hair follicles. It has numerous antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. These properties all benefit the hair and scalp by removing buildup of dead skin cells, oil, and products, increase oxygen and nutrient supply to the hair follicles, and treating and protecting the scalp from infection. Coconut milk fat. This is particularly beneficial for restoring dry, damaged, and brittle hair, as well as split ends. Coconut milk contains all the essential nutrients required for your healthy hair, boosting your hair follicles and promoting hair growth. You want to get all your rice into the bowl. Use all of it. I have jasmine rice because, I mean, that's the best rice in the world. Hold on. You're gonna wash it. You're gonna wash the rice. And then you're gonna boil the rice that's left over. 2 spoonfuls of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of avocado, tea tree oil. So 1 teaspoon of tea tree. Now we're about to mix. So it blended really well, but it's really thick, and it got like everywhere because I tried to put my spoon in it. It was just like a complete mess, but it blended, like it mixed well. But I'm gonna put it in the blender to make it a lot smoother, and I also added some coconut milk fat milk that I use to thin it out, because it is really thick, and then blend it, and it should make like a really creamy paste. And so it's still like really thick, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more coconut milk to thin it out. It was really thick, so I had to like loosen it up. So I used the coconut milk fat, which is like the juice in like the coconut milk that I get in the can, and I just poured that in there as much as I needed. So you can use it to like, you can use coconut milk or you can use water. It's up to you, whatever you use to like thin it out, because it's really thick. product. And it looks really good. It's the finished product and it looks really good. And my scalp is tingling from the tea tree oil, so it feels really good. And I'm just doing this to rub it in. Because I realize when I do this, the oil gets on my scalp even more. So you can do this, just put it on. Just make sure it's like saturated throughout your hair. And I'm probably gonna leave it on all night because it's so much and it's not gonna dry in 30 minutes. That's what I've been doing. And just leave it on for the rest of the night. And then I'll tell you how it is in the morning. Yeah, so it feels really good. Like it's like the perfect amount of thickness. So you want to make sure you put like something to thin it out. It could be water, coconut milk fat, anything, but you just want to make sure it's something to make sure that it is thinning, because it's going to be too thick to put on your hair. And this is like the perfect amount of like thickness. And you could just like keep putting the stuff in until it's to your liking. That's what I did, and it's like perfect, and I have so much of it now. And I actually really like this. I'm probably gonna do it again. I don't know like if it's gonna get hard on my head or not though. So I don't know like how it's gonna react on my hair. I never put rice on my hair before. So I'm excited to see like what it does to it. And I'll be back and tell you. I'll probably leave it on for like, I guess until it dries, and then I'll just rinse it out. I'm not gonna put a time on it because I don't know when it's gonna dry because it's really saturated. Yeah, I'll be back. So I let it dry overnight, and it's like really crunchy, and it's flaky. So it dried all up. I'm gonna rinse it out right now. Like you could probably hear it. Like it's so this is I washed it out. Usually I just rinse it out, but since it was like rice and it was like super sticky, I wanted to out my hair, but I rinsed it out, and this is the finished product. It feels soft. I mean, I don't have any complaints, but I guess like it's for growth and stuff. So yeah, I mean I would do it again. I don't really see like the harm in doing it again. Yeah, so this is the finished product. This is after I washed it out. And if you like it, try it. But it was like real like it made my hair really hard, like it was gel. But I think that's like a good thing. Like I think it was like sealing all of like the moisture in. This is the finished product. I really like it and I recommend it. Tell me if you like it in the comments, if you tried it. Yeah, other than that, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.